want a nice bed house, me have things there.
Stop with them from and she just want to pass you and you have to say
Yo, no, man. You're 5 minutes now, bitch.
Welcome everybody, this is AC gang. Me name Abby aka Good Gal.
And your boy Chapper there from Chapper TV. Subscribe, like, share, join the family.
Cause we vibe say mad and extra. Achoo!
Whoa!
Welcome to the mad crew. And the summer sun say moo.
What's up, AC gang? You don't know say boy Chapper there. And people man have to talk too much because I by myself you know say you're prank time. So here I go and know people. That prank ya, I'm gonna pretend like say yo, it's a electric scammer. Make some phone call people. I've been in the house clean right now. I'm gonna say you're the perfect time to do it. So I didn't live in room people I go to boom now and there are some clients and thing and so I make sure I talk low so she can come around when she forward on now people. Hear the chicken right now no. I make sure you know me I do it now. And the class I need that to help me cause I not really work out cause me wanna do it. And I say Abby, I need your help right now cause I don't know none of the money and I want to be the supervisor. So I'm gonna talk to the client them. I'm gonna just take the call and close the deal. Isn't it? So I'm gonna tell our people. I want to see if Abby is a ride or die chick. I want to see if Abby gonna go to the means and the ends for me and make sure say yo the thing work. Alright now people. I have to find out if she gonna say Capo, no, this wrong. Or she gonna say Capo, let's get it, let's get the money. You see me? People don't know what's wrong everything. So nobody follow me and saying about it. Don't know anything for that video. I get two persons who I'm gonna call with a foreign accent and everything and they was see. So here now, I want to give a shout out to one of the person I use. She named Tiola from Spencer's vlog. She me I go call. I call somebody else when I do YouTube, so I never call for your name. So people, remember guys, Tiola, big up yourself Tiola. Thanks for the help with that prank. Yeah. People go back to her page and just subscribe to Spencer's vlog guys. She helped me with that prank. Yeah. Anyway people, no further talking. She not also clean her room now. She had to take a good time and thing. So I go talk loud. So she hear and come round, you see me? So people spam the comment section from now with Team Capo, cause that prank can go normal. Subscribe to comedy channel, Abby and Capo Comedy TV. Cover to Abby's Madness and subscribe, cause channel are blocked right now. Go subscribe to our channel and don't forget to go over to Capo's TV and subscribe, cause I don't know your boy still not really reach the record now. The monetization thing, you know guys. So go over there, go subscribe and watch some video them same way and give me some support. No further talking people. That prank ya, nah go, nah. Mal, you see me? Let's get it.
A few minutes later.
Hello. Yes. This is Michael Bennett and I'm calling from New York Gaming and Betting Company. Is this Shasha? Yes. Okay, yeah, I'm calling because I'm seeing here that you've been selected. Excuse me, your last name. Your last name is Henry, right? Okay, Mrs. Henry. Okay, you're married to Thomas Henry, correct? Okay, great. Yeah, I'm seeing that you're selected. You're one of the winners for the lottery sweepstakes in gaming from New York City. Yeah, how do you feel about that? Yeah, you have won a prize of $500,000 US. Come on, man, give me an exciting scream. Okay, now I'm getting it now. So yeah, okay. So all you gotta do to collect the prize, yeah, you gotta go to Walmart and yeah, you gotta buy a voucher for $500. All right. Okay, I'll be in touch, okay? What do you mean? Okay, I'll be calling you back shortly, okay? Alright. My supervisor is not here right now, but I'll be calling you back shortly to keep in touch. Okay, alright, Mrs. Henry, thank you so much. Okay, you're a great winner, okay? Alright, thank you, bye-bye. Yo, miss me out in the money. You know what I'm going to say? I'm playing. I call it out right now. I'm playing.
Where are you?
Yo, Sean, I'm going to get you in there. I'm going to sweep on the top here now.
Where are you?
Not try it again, my girl.
Come on, what the
Hey,
fuck
you
you
don't
are
know hey, you don't know me, I'm this box up long time.
You know me here on this side, so the people come here and say, "Phone you come."
Yo,
Come on, where you go? Come back. Me attack you. What you doing?
I'll be easy on I'll be easy on a time zone, you know. I know a time, I call somebody, so they have lunch now, lunchtime for them about it. So I call another client. So when I call them, please just don't bother them for crazy. No, just don't go. I might need it, don't go.
Okay, this guy be a rascal. This guy not be a rascal. I'm supposed to go to the bathroom. I'm supposed to come back. I'm gonna go in here and fuck with my ears.
Abby, give me a second, come in, man. Abby. My friend, give me a second, man. Abby. Oh my God, the person never answer the freaking call. Abby. I need help now, my girl. I'm not sure I can hear you know.
Where are you sit on the side?
Give me a second, man. Abby, you don't know one. You don't know
Don't
one.
try to fuck with my ears. Do not try to fuck with my ears. Because I can't think you do. Yeah, I do. I'm not trying to fuck with my ears.
Yo, my girl, I need help now. I'm not trying to know you help. Easy
Do
now.
not try to fuck with my ears.
I'm call one more time.
Alright.
I think I'm gonna come up for lunch now.
Don't chat.
My girl thinks I'm joking. You don't know what I'm doing.
I'm a don't chat. Yeah, come on, let me see what the place is. Sit on this side before.
Yo, give me a second, come here.
Yo, not chat to me, not chat to me. Backside, man.
You know, start. Hello, good morning. Am I speaking to Richards? Make sure you're Kimberly Richards, that's correct, right? Yes. Oh, okay, awesome. Oh, Kimberly, it's so glad that you answered the phone, okay? My name is Thomas Williams, okay? I'm calling from the Canadian Sweepstakes and Gaming Company. Are you aware that you've won 2 million Canadian dollars? Congratulations, my friend. Miss Richards, you are a very wealthy woman right now. Alright, I'm seeing here that you travel frequently in Toronto and you also shop at Walgreens and Walmart. Is that right? Alright, so yeah, we've seen that you've been selected because it's like a sweepstakes, so it's a random selection and you'll be selected as a winner. Yeah, I want to shop at these companies, you know, they have your information stored, so it's just a random selection. They check your grocery that you order and stuff like that, and your name is on the list, so congratulations. How do you feel about this, Mr. Richards? How do you feel about this?
Yeah, I'm on. Lady, if I try to scare me, I'm on. I'm gonna fucking do it when I'm people in this. Lady, if I try to scare me, scammers, I love it.
The fucking call from me, how am I feel?
Yeah, come
Yeah, yeah.
What the fuck you doing, Sadu?
Come back, what?
What you had do?
Jesus. Well, fuck up like that, yeah, yeah. Yo, we both said this, so let's some fucking money, I got it, girl.
If you're gonna fuck with you, leave. I don't want them here, you don't fuck with you. Yes, all I'm gonna say is I'm not fun.
Oh, fuck like that, done.
If you're going to do this type of fuckery, you do it at your yard. And when I agree, remember you want to come to your life.
I'm trying to fucking, yo. I'm gonna put the fucking deal of it.
You hear me? I want to
Build up a pen.
Yeah, you hear me? I want to do it. Come on, people in place and do them fuckery.
Build up a pen.
What trap?
No, you can't track the phone, I've been happy, no, can't track nothing wrong with it.
Fuckery!
Come sit on your side with the freaking client, my girl. You hear that, man? Now, come on, client, and fuck yourself again, you know. Me, I have things, you know. Stop and I do no work for me, man. Don't not want to it.
Chapper?
Okay.
No, but I don't know you.
Yo, my friend.
I'm going to get too low, come to what you need, but then know what kind of fuckery you hear.
Back up. You're not
I don't know what
going
you
to be able to
just come over and play for
No, I'm not the elder, so when you leave, I take it to your yard. Now take it to your yard. Then I come take the shotgun, cover the house.
No, okay, because I'm follow you my room, I think, you know.
Then not come and about come
And
shotgun.
after my laptop, I'm going to check people. Oh, boy. Yo, please, I mean, don't buy my laptop. I don't want to make that.
Yeah, but I think we're shocked, because you said no, you never let me, you kind of fuck around.
Yeah, worry. I'm just teasing you, you know.
Yeah, if you have a
Listen,
listen,
listen what me I said.
You're not coming
Listen what me I
to
said.
shut
Nobody can chat with me.
Shut up, and come at the people in place.
Nobody can
I'm
chat.
done chat.
Chat, listen what
If you
I
want to scam me, you take it to your yard. I will tell you to do that, you love me. You love me, but don't come back to me and come damn baby, I'm forever, so.
Please, relax, you're worried.
Alright, but don't chat. Fuck me up.
You know the fuck?
Take it to your yard.
You know I'm not chatting. Yeah, chat to my family. Fuck me thing against me there. I cover the woman. I want to nice that house. Me have things there. That man tell you. I can't sense it. Bombarded man. Man try to make money out of the fuckery. They feel like that. Fuck said that girl man. Yo, mama laptop you know. Abby. You might laugh at that girl. Mama laptop you know. Mama laptop. Mama laptop.
I'm gonna take that to your yard, so nobody can find it. Think I'm bright. Fuck yeah, try go. Try go to fuck you every day, yeah.
Baby, we're not
Yeah, move from it, so. Move from it, so. I'm a dumb man, I'm a never. Move from it, so. Move from it.
Even though I'm at work time, I'm not at that, please send me.
Move.
I'm going to go on the I can't do man. You want to take that, you want to take
short.
You want to take that and come and fuck the thing.
Yeah,
Yo, man, if I broke life every day in life, now I'm going, you got to calm yourself, man.
yeah, what?
Calm
Not calm the people in
The
other
phone,
house.
door.
If you're going to calm the people, you take it to your yard. And when you take it to your yard, you're going to come out of my life and listen.
If you don't know
You're
my
not chatting about
If you
it.
don't know my this. If you don't know my this,
What do you do? You do what you do?
what do you mean?
Keep on leave.
What if you like
You
say?
have to leave.
Come
I'm
on,
serious.
I cover the woman, don't bother the phone checking. So I want to take talk, you know. Just be, I'm just listen, man. Alright, let's listen.
I'm not doing shit. Number one. I'm not doing shit.
You know me,
And if a car is man, not short and say scam alert, scam alert. I'm too fucking disgusting. They come and talk about money and go and get a damn job then. Bumbo wall.
Hi, Miss Richard.
Scam alert, scam alert, scam alert. Hang up.
What the fuck you up?
Scammers, scammers, scammers.
Fucking calm, me, don't you? Calm down, man.
Keep up. If there's somebody out there to talk and say scammers, you know?
She been fair calling you, two calling you. You want I want, yo, you can't do anything. Please, I'm gonna beg you. I'm gonna beg you, don't give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna beg you. If you're gonna get this right now, if you're gonna get money, you come on to your life, baby.
Careful, careful, careful. Don't remember again. Don't remember again.
Hello, Miss Richard. Miss Richard, everything is okay, Miss Richard. I'm having some technical difficulties, okay? But are you close to Walmart?
Yes, I am.
Great.
I'm not sure what's going on because you called me and then you hung up.
Okay, great, great.
Scammer alert, lady. Scammer alert. Scammer alert. Scammer alert. Scammer alert. Scam is trying to scam you. Careful. Stop doing fuck around and people in place.
Hey, that one.
Stop doing fuck around and people in place.
We're on this.
Stop doing fuck around and people in place.
Please help me listen.
Stop doing fuck. And she take one pass you and let her shut it.
Yo, move on, man.
Them go to the other side and get what them get.
I'm just looking at it now.
Careful. I'm
You're
not.
5 minutes now, bitch.
Fuck over there.
You're 5 minutes now. Jesus Christ, yo. Bomba, yo. Watch out, people. I be fingernail cut me now. My girl, you my phone, now, man. Yo, Abby. Smash the like button.
Yo, put it down, Abby, please, me beg you. Abby. Put it down, please. I'm parking my phone, my girl. I want you. And they are broken, I want you, my girl. What you feel like, say? No worry, not running up. YouTube never pay man, I want you. I'm not getting no views on YouTube, you know, my girl. What do you think man I gotta do? We're not getting no views on YouTube, you know. Nobody now watch your content, you know. Nobody now watch you and them now share the bill them, so not no money. So what you expect me to do? Then I was hungry every day. Put the door on, man. I'll put the door, please. I beg you, alright. Go to finish. I just got me yard. Give me phone, I got me yard. Because that person now give me no vibes, you know. Because right now, the place I come like, you know, make sense, you know. Pull the door. It's shame. Yo, come give me, yo, my girl. Yo, my phone, I'm going to die, I'm kind in the man. But say, give me phone. The female are joking thing with you. Yo, people. I be cut my finger, you know, people. I be looking at my finger, watch it. No, you're shame, no, you're shame. No, look at, no, look at, no, you cut my finger, you know, watch it. My finger. Yeah,
Oh.
my skin. No, look at my nail. They know my nail take a speed of my skin. You know that for a fact. Alright, I'm coming back now, here.
Chapper, stop. You're almost like, man.
Hey, no, go. I'm going to tell that one client. Come now.
Oh. Yo, stop. Oh. I'm not laugh.
Easy, no?
Yeah, I'm but I don't so much over there. Fuck it, but there's something over there. I'm not laugh, Chapper. Tell the camera for me. I don't so much over there.
Hello, Mrs. Richards.
Just kindly stop calling my phone, please. You've been calling me.
But what prank? But I said prank me.
Miss Richards, Tiola.
Tell about Spencer's black.
Yeah.
Oh, Sophia Jen, don't take care of other team. I was just saying.
Tiola, you mash up her head.
And then I said, she not hear me until I said, scam alert, with that idiot self. No, sir.
Check.
Why you want to put my phone, sir?
I said, scam alert, and you're not, I'm up.
Hey, Tiola, you know, say we catch her wicked though. We catch her wicked.
You're supposed to be idiot. You're supposed to get scammed.
Yeah. Damn fool.
I said, Tiola, you want to cut my finger a while ago? Jano Star. People, go back to Spencer's blog and go subscribe to them channel. Because Tiola does another prank here. I tell you, see me a sweat? Oh God, man. It's never normal. Hey, I'll be vexed, you know. Tiola, thanks here.
Yes, Abby, your husband scammed me. I want back all of my money.
Girl, this that nothing to do with me. Wrong story, wrong smarty.
Alright, we'll keep in touch, eh?
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yeah, but I'm not laugh.
Yo, me a sweat, you know, man. I be also my finger.
Maybe I'm gonna cut you.
I become a finger, people, so you know what I mean.
Maybe cut you.
Me I gonna need a like for that video. Everybody watch it, just leave one like. Each channel leave one like and alright, you see me. Me I sweat like wow, so you don't know anything go. People that prank ya, never know man. But I try call somebody first. Never did get to them, but of course, Taylor was the ultimate person that I call second. But you wanna, we think I'm gonna say, yes, Chapper, let's do this.
Let's do this. Wish man.
So guys, if you're new to the page, please subscribe because I prank ya banger. You understand?
I say you're trying to come bully me down when I hear the fuckery. No, sir.
Hey.
I know something that take bully light.
Hey, I'll be a chipping a man. I will take my laptop, take my phone, could call a client. Just watch another video on the channel. Until then, Team Chapper is out.